The fifth level of organization is the system level. Organ plus organ equals to organ system. It means an organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function. There are 11 organ systems in human body. The examples of these organ systems include nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system, etc. Here if we talk about digestive system, then the stomach, small and large intestines are the organs of this digestive system. All these organs are working together to digest food, to move nutrients into the blood, and to get rid of waste. Now we will study all these organ systems in human body one by one. The first one is integumentary system. The components of this system include skin, hair, nails, oil, and sweat glands. Now, what are the functions of this system? It protects body, it helps regulate body temperature, it eliminates some waste, it helps make vitamin D, it detects sensations such as touch, pain, warmth, and cold. Next we have skeletal system. Bones and cartilages, they are the components of this skeletal system. This system supports and protects body. It provides surface area for muscle attachments. It helps in body movements. It houses cells that produce blood cells. It stores minerals and lipids, that is fats. Next we have muscular system. Skeletal muscle tissues are the components of this muscular system. And the function of this system is that it participates in body movements such as walking. It also maintains posture of the body and produces heat. Then there is nervous system. The components of this nervous system include brain, nerves, and spinal cord. And the function of the system is that it generates action potential or nerve impulses to regulate activities of the body. It also detects changes in the internal and the external environments of the body. It interprets changes and responds by causing muscular contractions or glandular secretions. Next we have endocrine system. The components of endocrine system are hormone producing glands and cells. These glands are pineal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thymus, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. Now, what is the function of endocrine system? This system regulates activities of human body by releasing hormones. Now, what are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers that are transported in blood from the endocrine glands or tissues to their target organs. Next, there is circulatory system. The components of this system include heart and blood vessels. Now, what is the function of circulatory system? Heart pumps blood through blood vessels. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to cells, and it also carries carbon dioxide and waste away from cells. This circulatory system also helps regulate acid-base balance, temperature, and water content of body fluids. The blood components of circulatory system help defend against diseases, and they also repair damaged blood vessels. Next, there is lymphatic system and immunity. The components of this lymphatic system and immunity include lymphatic fluid and vessels such as spleen, thymus, lymph nodes, and tonsils. It also includes cells that carry out immune responses, such as B cells, T cells, and others. The function of this system is that it returns proteins and fluid to blood. It carries lipids from gastrointestinal tract to blood. It contains sites of maturation and proliferation of B cells and T cells that are protecting human body against disease-causing microbes. Next there is respiratory system. The components of respiratory system include lungs and air passage ways, such as pharynx, which is throat, larynx, which is voice box, trachea, which is windpipe, and bronchial tubes that are leading into and out of the lungs. The function of this system is that it transfers oxygen from inhaled air to blood, and carbon dioxide from blood is exhaled out. It helps regulate acid-base balance of body fluids, and the air flowing out of the lungs through vocal cords produces sounds. Next we have digestive system. The components of digestive system are the organs of gastrointestinal tract, and these organs are mouth, pharynx, which is throat, esophagus, which is food tube, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The function of digestive system is that it achieves physical and chemical breakdown of food, it absorbs nutrients, and it eliminates solid waste out of the body. Next, there is urinary system. The components of this system are kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. The function of urinary system is that it produces, stores, and eliminates urine. It eliminates waste and regulates volume and chemical composition of blood. It also helps maintain the acid-base balance of body fluids. It also maintains body's mineral balance. It also helps regulate production of red blood cells. The last organ system in human body is reproductive system. The reproductive system in males is different from reproductive system in females. The components of reproductive system include gonads, where testes are present in males and ovaries are found in females. The function of reproductive system is that gonads produce gametes such as sperms in males and oocytes in females. These gametes they unite to form a new organism. Gonads also release hormones that regulate reproduction and other body processes such as associated organs transport and storage of gametes. It also releases hormones that causes mammary glands to produce milk. All organ systems in human body interact and work together in a coordinated way. Such as when we talk about nutrition, the organ systems that are involved in the process of nutrition include respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, and digestive system. Similarly, when we talk about body activities, the systems that are involved in regulating activities of human body, they include nervous system, muscular system, endocrine system, and skeletal system. So, Communication among organ systems is vital if they are to work together as a team. So they must be able to respond to each other and change their responses as needed to keep the body in balance. So communication among organ systems is controlled mainly by the nervous system and the endocrine system.